Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, April 29th, as we round out the month of April. And looking at the S&P 500 here, which remains my primary focus while this market is sloppy and difficult. Sometimes we're going to run lots of different fib proportions and see where there are clusters and those sorts of things. Sometimes things just hit you right upside the head and say, this is what to focus on. I am focused on this move down, right? The initial leg down from the all-time high into the January 24th low, and proportional to it, the leg down from this March 29th high, and looking at proportionality to that. This leg down would be equal to the prior leg down at 40.41, not too far below this 40.83 voodoo fire line, which is a very important level. They are the most important of the voodoo line levels. Now, these tree lines, like the one up here at the all-time high, and this one down here at 36.48 and 33.79. These tree lines are the second most important of the levels, and the spot where this leg down from March 29th would be 161.8% of this initial leg down is near that 36.48 tree line. So what I'm thinking is we're probably finding support in one of those areas, right? So so either coming in here in the general area of this fire line and finding some support, and climbing back above the fire line and turning back up, or we're probably going all the way down to 36.48 before the next material bounce, and probably more downside after that if we hit 36.48 first. So those are the levels I'm watching. I'm going to look at early next week. If for some reason or other we get above 36.52 before hitting any of those levels, we're going to call off the downside, at least until we have a reason to refresh it. But that's what I've got my sights set on. We will see how things come together, and we'll catch up at the next update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me